At this hospital in London, scientists are now preparing a secure facility where they plan to deliberately infect volunteers with the coronavirus. The volunteers are used to test the effectiveness of vaccines and treatments. It's a much faster way of working than the trials happening across the world now. Under the current approach, volunteers live at home, their lives continuing as normal, which means they may or may never become infected. With a so-called challenge trial, infection is guaranteed. The first step is a small but critical one. 90 healthy volunteers, 18 to 30 years old, are given tiny amounts by nose of the coronavirus. The goal is to determine the absolute minimum amount required to get them sick enough to test if vaccines or treatments are effective, but not make them too sick as to put their lives in danger. Once the tests are done, the volunteers would have to fully recover in isolation before going back into the public. But not all virologists support the plan because of the ethical dilemma of infecting healthy people without having a recovery drug on hand.
I'm not a supporter of challenge trials at the moment, because what do? They inject healthy volunteers with a virus for which we have no cure. At the moment, we're putting people at risk that, I think we could have some really nasty problems.
So, Richard, what are the next steps then in these trials? Just how fast would this accelerate the vaccine timeline, even though, as you said, it is controversial?
So they're not doing it exactly yet. They just announced today their intentions to start doing this, and they are starting to make the preparations, trying to figure out the exact dose of the coronavirus. Think about that, to dose it like a pill of the virus so that you could take it in a safe way. This still needs to be approved by authorities here in the UK. That approval is expected, and they could start doing this in January.